Hi, this is a late 1800s Dayton Oakleaf ceiling fan. I restored it with a new axle and a new set of field coils, and I made brush holders for it. These are the brush holders. Right there, there's one on each side. This has got the original nickel-plated brass leaf work, I guess you'd call it. And just a nice patina. So I left that be. And this is spec'd at 250 volts DC. I bought it from a guy in India. It had seen a long life in India. There's the top. It's an unusual motor design. You can see the armature spinning in there, the armature coils. Yeah, it's a very interesting one. And I have it on a speed controller. Because it's DC, I had to put a bridge rectifier in it. So actually on the ceiling I have a box that creates DC. But the bridge rectifier is very small. It could be put on top of the fan or up in the canopy, easy. And I really like this fan because it runs so smoothly. Here okay, now it's running at 120 volts, rectified to DC. And it's a nice ceiling fan. On my speed controller I can crank it down to I think the equivalent of about, I think it's like 50 volts DC. And it makes it run sort of peacefully slow. And if you wanted it to move a lot of air, you could certainly run it on 220. You could either have a step-up transformer or run it off of like a dryer circuit or oven circuit. The houses have 220. You would just have to get an electrician to run it. So there he is. Like 1890s Dayton Oakleaf. I just turned it off. Takes a pretty long time to coast.